Welcome guys. In this video we'll learn how to print square pattern with stars. So let's say if user enters the value of n as 3, then the required square pattern is star followed by star followed by star. So that is, we are trying to print star in each row 3 times. So all we are trying to do here is print star followed by space. How many number of times? 3 times. So this is our required formula. Similarly, let's say if user enters the value of n as 4, then the required square pattern is print star 4 times in each row. So here we are trying to print star followed by space. How many number of times? 4 times in each row. So in each row we are trying to print star followed by space 3 times here and 4 times here. So that means n number of times. So the logic is star followed by space n number of times. So this is the logic in each row, and we are trying to loop through how many number of times? N number of times. So we have 1, 2, 3 rows. So that means we have to loop through n number of times and print star followed by space how many number of times? N number of times in each row. So now let's convert this logic into program. Let's create a Python file. Click on project practice, new Python file, and let's name it square pattern with stars. And let's add the comment. Here we are trying to print square pattern with stars. So let's read the input from the user by using the input function. Please enter the number of rows, and let's pass this to the int constructor so that we allow only integer values and assign this to a variable called n. So n will be an integer variable. Now let's loop through n number of times for I in range n. Print, here we are trying to print star followed by space n number of times, star followed by space n number of times. So let's save this by Control S and right click and click on run square pattern with stars. Please enter the number of rows. So let's enter 3. So we can see the square pattern with 3 stars. So now let's rerun the same program, and this time let's enter the number of rows as 5, and now you can see the square pattern with 5 stars. So let's rerun again, and this time let's enter 10, and now you can see square pattern with 10 stars in each row. So that is how we can print square pattern with stars. Thank you.